Hi everyone, it's Paul Tilley and welcome to MR2200 Retailing. Today we're looking at Unit 1, Introduction to Retailing. In this unit, we will be looking at defining retailing and the basic retail concept, distinguishing between classifications of retailers, listing examples of issues, changes, and trends in retailing, discussing various elements of the retail environment, and describing the concept of retail strategy. Looking at Objective 3, list and describe examples of issues, changes, and trends in retailing, the world of retailing is very fluid and there are many challenges and many changes and many trends. Let's take a look at them. A leading consultant in retail, the Boston Consulting Group, reviewed 10 major trends in their 2020 research. First of all, the empowerment of consumers. Consumers can make more informed decisions more often now, thanks to the power of the research that's available online. Product information, price comparison, and user reviews are easier to obtain on the World Wide Web. This has empowered them, and this has allowed them to discriminate even more. So they're going to be putting a lot of pressure on retailers to give extra value if they're going to buy from them. We also got this ubiquitous connectivity. We're always connected, no matter where you are. The internet is available worldwide, at home, at work, on the go. All that sort of thing means that people have this ability to discriminate at their fingertips. Buying local, going green. Consumers want to consume responsibly and in a sustainable way. Companies that embrace these issues by helping customers buy locally and buy what they need will benefit. Customer data, it's more available than ever. There's an amazing amount of data out there generated from points of sale, social media, corporate websites, and tracking tools that give a great amount of power to sellers, but also they give a great amount of power to buyers. And all this data helps consumers know what's going on, but it also helps retailers know what their activities are. I mean, it tracks you to the end. So organizations, retailers can track purchasing patterns, and if you understand the customer better, you can target them better. So the more they know about the customer, the better they can serve the customer, which is good for the customer, but on the other hand, they also know a lot about you, and they can use that to sell your product. That kind of points to this next one, the algorithm. The algorithm is a mathematical model that's used to predict things. So all this data allows companies to not only understand you, but to create mathematical models that will predict your behavior. And data is king on that. And retailers can maximize that in order to be able to put a price on a product or the product to sell for a display that meets exactly what you want to see. There's a lot of growing retail power too. Concentration. Grocery stores, there are fewer grocery stores under fewer names. Canadian Tire bought a whole bunch of companies, including Sports Check and the like. We're seeing Canadian Tires of the world get bigger. We're seeing Walmart and Amazon taking bigger shares of the market. So the big ones are getting bigger. We also have some maturing retail technologies. There's a wide range of technologies that allow companies to streamline backroom functions and increase efficiency. Walmart has made their strategic competitive advantage on that efficiency that they get from distribution, for example. And this is putting downward pressure on labor and trying to get, salaries down low. Blurring boundaries among channels, formats, and brands. We've seen this. This traditional format has been thrown to the wayside with this technology as companies adopt different strategies and integrate into across platforms, be it brick and mortar, online, e-tail, and the like. And we have two challenging store economics. Physical stores are turning into showrooms. People go in and look in the store, and then they order it online. And this has undermined a lot of ability for the physical stores to make any money and justify their existence. So we see a lot of stores physically closing. Well, that's a quick snapshot of what the major trends are in the marketplace. And again, a lot of them are internet related. Next, we're going to take a look at the elements of the retail environment. If you have any questions, please let me know.